Hello, welcome to the very first episode of Cooking with Nico. I will be your culinary teacher this season, and today we're going to start off with an omelet. So let's get started. Let me show you what all we need first. We need pepper, salt, some oil, and then you're going to want to already cut everything, that way you're all prepared, called mise en place. So we have our bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, chives, some shredded cheese for the end, and an 8-inch pan. This is a tefal. We're going to heat it up, put it at medium heat. We gotta wait for that to heat up. While we're waiting for that, put just a little bit of oil in here. Small pan, so we don't need much. Okay, and while we wait for that to heat up, I'm going to tell you the history of an omelet. The creation of the omelet starts in the early years, but when Napoleon Bonaparte and his army traveled through southern France, they discovered the omelet and then told the town to gather every egg and make a huge omelet for him and his army. The omelet used to be omelette with an A instead of an O until early 17th century, when the wording was changed to how we know it now, spelled with an O. Now if you put too much oil in there, just like that, swipe it down a little bit. And once that heats up, you're going to put on the bell peppers and onions in there. The tomatoes we'll be doing last, but you can put it in there if you like. We're going to saute this until it gets brown, the onions get brown. Put a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and let it cook. Okay, now that the onions have gone a little golden brown, sizzling a little bit, we're going to add the eggs. You can either use real eggs or you can use something like this. It's a small pan, so we don't want to put a whole lot. Just enough to cover the bottom. And if you like, you can do bacon, you can do chorizo, you can do ham, whatever you like. We're just going to let that cook for a little bit. We're going to rotate the pan. Just so it cooks evenly. And the stuff right here, we're going to push down. And then rotate it again. Now the heat's a little low, so we can wait a little bit. We're going to add some more salt. We want to season everything that you cook with. A little bit of pepper. It's just to your preference. If you don't want to season it, that's fine too. But the bottom is starting to cook. We just want to make sure we get that top. So we can even do this right here, where we're picking up the egg a little bit and letting everything on top drain out. Alright, now it's time to flip it. If your egg is sticking, didn't add enough oil, just use a little spatula, and we're going to flip it. We're going to turn the heat off. We're going to add the cheese. We're going to let that cook just for a second. We'll add our plate. Fold the omelet like that. Fold those eggs. Pick it up, put it on your plate. After that, you can garnish it with your tomatoes, or like I said, you can put it in there, and some chives, just like that. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.